Hi, okay, so we've got the crab moving and we can control him with the arrow keys. So now it's time to make some things for him to collect. And we're going to do them first because we want them to appear in the same place on every level. So to do that, we're going to choose a sprite, which we're going to have 3 of the same. So I'm going to go for something that lives in the sea. Starfish. So here's one starfish. I'm going to make it smaller, so let's go for 25%. So that looks good. Let's get rid of this. So now I need 3 of these. If I right click on this starfish, I can get 3 the same. There we go. So if I put 1 down here, my crab normally starts up here somewhere. So if I put 1 down here, 1 like up here, 1 down here, then my crab can go around collecting those. So I'm going to write some code for each of these starfish so that when the crab touches them, they disappear. So starfish number 1, make sure he's selected down here, and then I'm going to make an event when the green flag is clicked. Then I'm going to make sure he's appearing at the start of the game. So I'm going to go to the looks menu and say show. So now I'm going to make it so that when the crab touches the starfish, it's going to disappear. So I'm going to use a control loop forever, because that means it happens anytime during the game. Then inside there an if loop. And then from the sensing menu, I'm going to go touching mouse pointer, but I can change that to when the starfish is touching the crab. And when the starfish touches the crab, I want it to disappear to make it look like the crab has gobbled it up. So I'm going to put in here a hide block. So starfish number 1 is this one here. So let's see if my crab touches the starfish. Should disappear. There we go. So I want that code to copy now into the other starfishes. So if I right click on there, no, if I drag that down here, should copy that onto that starfish. Do it again. Starfish 2, starfish 3. So now they all have the same code. Great. Now, when the crab gobbles up a starfish, he scores 1 point onto his score. So we have to find a way of keeping score. So to do that, we're going to look here in the variables menu. Here we have to make a variable. And our variable name is going to be score. And then OK. Now you can see that the score variable appears here in the top left-hand corner. So for starfish number 1, I can add a block here from the variables menu. When the crab touches the starfish, I'm going to change my variable by 1. And that should give me 1 point when I gobble up that starfish. I need the same thing in the other 2 starfish. Change my variable by 1. change my variable by 1. So now, when I get the starfish, it disappears and my score does not change. Why is that? That's because I'm changing the wrong variable by 1. I want to change the variable score by 1. So I have to do that now for all my starfish. Let's try that. Crab gobbles up the starfish. You can see here my score is increasing. So that is how I can make food for the crab. Thank you very much.